What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth here, Chartist. Today is 27th August 2025, local time 1:51 p.m. I will be analyzing Nvda, and the earnings is like after 10 minutes, most likely. So I'm going to analyze it quickly. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. Okay, let's start the analysis really quick. First of all, the price action part, and then I'm going to discuss why am I avoiding Nvidia. I don't care if it goes up, it needs to come down, and I'll tell you where I will be adding it. But other than that, I won't be touching Nvidia at all. Why? Let's discuss that part. So first of all, if you look here, the only level which looks insane, which might look insane to you right now, is that I'm going to wait for these levels around 112. Okay, I don't really care. There might be a bounce here around 150, 160, 159, 160. Bounce here, then up and then down. Could be. But if I have to go long, these levels are totally crappy. This will hold, and ultimately it should come here with the market. Okay, now, don't expect a free fall. Don't expect a big red candle. I'm not expecting that, but if it happens, it happens. But usually, uh, it's never a free fall. Okay, so bounce here 160, bounce here around 145, and then yeah, way down into 115, 116. That's where I will start adding it, not at current market price. If it goes up and forms a green candle, I don't really care. I will add when it retraces. But right now, I do not see no footprints. Okay, this is weekly. So if I'll show you on monthly time frame, clean structure right here. Okay, now I'm switching the time frame to daily. Look here on daily, it's a total noise, and this is nothing. Like, if you want to trade any of these levels, first of all, if anybody is asking you, or you yourself are trying to trade any stock, your number one priority should be to protect your capital, and you should know where your stop loss levels are. Okay, if you don't know, then there's no point entering into a trade. Okay, now as far as Nvidia is concerned, I feel that yeah, there's nothing on daily that can stop the price from falling other than this level. But let me mark this level. Okay, you might see a bounce around 145ish, but I do see the distribution of buying right here as well around 153. And now if I'll go on weekly time frame, you will see that this wick that you see. So what happened here in this weekly time frame is price opened here, came down, and the buying pressure came up. Buying pressure came in and it pushed the prices up, and then you do see a rally. But this, if I zoom out, it's not a rally. Like, it is good enough to might give you 1:2, might not give you 1:2, but I'm not touching this. Okay, and then this is the other line on daily which we marked, where I can see there is a very poor buying level, but these are not good levels as per my understanding of price action. So I'm not touching it. If it makes a green candle, I know how to trade it. I will wait for this thing to happen. But other than that, I'm not getting aggressive and trying to trade at current market price. Now, if I go on daily, I'll tell you what is happening here is price is continuously forming like it's a rally. Okay, I don't even see higher highs. Like, there are no clear cut higher highs. It, if you want to market like this, you can. Okay, like this, you can market higher highs, higher lows. I don't care. But no, I'm not marking it. I'm taking it off. I'm not marking it, but I do see a fall here, a minor retracement here, a minor retracement here. But this is already tested. Tested means pending orders have been already picked up, which is also, this is also very poor level. Now market is live. We are 5 minutes into the closing. Let's discuss the indicator part now. So RSI is the most powerful momentum indicator out there, and people are misusing it very badly. So I'll tell you what I feel. So if you look here, prices continuously, an RSI is formed from the closing prices. So here is the high. Look at the top with the candlesticks. So price is making higher high. So look at the bottom now. So this is one high, and this one is the other high. So price is making higher high, but momentum is making lower high. Again, price makes another higher high. With the wicks, I'm doing higher highs. But look here, look at the top and of the price, and look at the RSI here. So again, price is making higher high and momentum is making lower high. And if I do draw a line here, see, this line is acting as a resistance for RSI. It's not letting RSI go above this line, and price is consolidating, as you can see. And another these are bear divergences that are happening, and the first one is higher than the second one. So if I put it in other words, like, second is lower than the first. which is showing that it is losing momentum. But if you look here, this one, this point, so this, I'll mark a line here, this actually should act as a support, and it is acting as a support. So why am I saying this? So bear divergences, okay, the momentum high, this is complicated. Okay, so the momentum high, whenever there is a bear divergence, it is actually an over bought level. Okay, so over bought level actually acts as a support. Simple as that. This is technical, like this is a technical part. This is an overbought level, right? Prices came down from here, so this is the momentum high of bear divergence, which is actually called overbought level, and this usually acts as a support, and it is currently acting as a support. But and it is doing a positive momentum as well, but I don't really care. I know price action is saying that buying is down there. I don't rely on indicators at all. Okay, buying is down somewhere around whatever I told you. The best level would be these levels. Okay, these means 120ish, 115. Okay, but again, it is losing momentum on higher time frame, uh, daily, and I don't want to take no chances. So I'm just, and this, if you look at the RSI also, it's shifting its range from the top of 80s. It moved down to 50s, and now it is acting, now 60s acting kind of a resistance, and then it can come down. I'm not worried about Nvidia going up. I'm worried about if it comes down, that's then what will happen. Okay, so that's why I'm not touching it. Hopefully, like, I was able to put my point in front of you. If you did like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist, and whenever you're trading, just make sure you're putting your stops and you're taking those stops as well. All right, take care, trade safely, wisely. Bye bye, and don't forget to follow me, the Chartist. Take care. Bye bye.